morning children, everyone open your environmental studies textbook and we have started our lesson meeting farmers no children. Okay, in that we have discussed insecticides and pesticides and irrigation, how it will be. In page number 64, everyone open your textbooks in page number 64. Okay, in most cases in India, irrigation is done through canals and water pumps or through simple devices like the water wheel and the picot. What is this children? It is a one way of sending water from one place to another place. Okay, so a water wheel is an ancient device. A water wheel is an ancient device. అక్కడ ఒక వీల్ లా ఉంటుంది అన్నమాట. దానికి ఒక కార్నర్ బకెట్ లా ఉంటుంది. ఇట్ సైడ్ ఒక మనకి చూడండి సీసా, you will play the seesaw in that way. So they will down that one and that will be sent this side. In that way the water will be transferred from that place to this side. Okay, so here a water wheel is an ancient device. It has containers which scoop up water as a wheel in turn by oxen, donkeys or camels. A picot has a goat skin bucket tied to one end of a wooden beam while rocks balance the other end. So one side it was prepared by the goat skin children, that mug like one, okay, and the other side will be with the rocks and all that will balance that one. Okay, so this water will be collected in this skin and that will be sent to the other part. The most important aspect of irrigation is that just the right amount of water has to be sent to the fields, neither too much nor too little. So here children, first of all, the farmers they are doing hard work. Previously we had discussed, no, so the sufficient water they have to give the sufficient water. They should not give more water or they should not give the less water. So if anything happens, means the total crop will be destroyed. Okay, due to too little water the crop will dry up. So if they are not giving the proper water, now what will happen to the crop? It will dry up. Adi endipotundi anamata. So while too much water can lead to waterlogging and plants would not be able to grow. Too much of water icheste emoutundi, a watering is stagnant అయిపోయి the earth cannot take that one. So akkada వేర్లు అనేవి కుళ్ళిపోయి the plant will be destroyed. Okay, landless laborers and seasonal migrations. So landless laborers means what and seasonal migration means what? Let us see. People who do not own land but cultivate others' land are called landless laborers. So those the people those who do not have their own land, వాళ్ళకి సొంతంగా అనేటువంటి పొలం అనేది ఉండదన్నమాట. వాళ్ళు ఏం చేస్తారు, కౌలుకి తీసుకున్నారంటారు కదా, మళ్ళీ తీసుకుని they will cultivate that one. People who have a lot of land let out their land to others. బాగా ఎక్కువగా పొలాలు ఉన్న వాళ్ళు ఏం చేస్తారు, కౌలుకి ఇస్తూ ఉంటారు అనమాట, మిగిలిన వాళ్ళకి ఇచ్చి పండిస్తుంటారు. The landless laborers cultivate this land. The landowner pays them more money or part of the crop. సో ఈ ల్యాండ్లెస్ వాళ్ళు ఎవరి దగ్గర అయితే ల్యాండ్ ఉండదో వాళ్ళు వీళ్ళ దగ్గర నుంచి తీసుకుని పంటను పండిస్తుంటారు. అప్పుడు ఓనర్ ఏం చేస్తుంటారు, ఐదర్ దే గివ్ ద మనీ ఆర్ సమ్ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద క్రాప్ లోని సగ భాగము, లేకపోతే దే హ్యావ్ ద రేషియో అకార్డింగ్ టు దట్ దే విల్ గివ్. ఓకే, Karthik's father Pramod is a landless laborer. So ఇక్కడ Karthik's father Pramod అని ఆయన ఏంటి, he don't have any land. Okay, he works on Gagan Seth's farm. ఒక సేట్స్ ఫామ్ లో ఆయన వర్క్ చేస్తున్నారు. Once the crop has harvested, there is no work for Pramod in the village. So harvested means what అంటే క్రాప్ అంతా కట్ చేసేసి వాటిని బ్యాగ్స్ లో పెట్టేసి they will sell to the markets no children. At that time he don't have any work. So he migrated to the nearby town to work as a construction laborer. So instead of sitting ideally అంటే మరి కూర్చుంటే how the family will feed, so what he will do children, at that time he will go to the another place. Okay, for the construction laborer. Okay, Pramod returns to his village before the start of the next agricultural season. So all these days he'll work as a construction laborer and again he'll come back to his village. What for children? Before the agriculture starts again. Okay, Pramod's movement from his village to the nearby town and back to his village is called the seasonal migration. So see, seasonally he is moving out. As soon as the harvesting completed, he is going as a construction laborer and again he is coming back when they starts again the field. Okay, so this migration is called as a seasonal migration. ఇక్కడ పని అంతా అయిపోయిన తర్వాత వర్క్ చేయడానికి బయటికి వెళ్తున్నాడు, మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ పంటలు స్టార్ట్ చేసే టైం హీ ఈస్ కమింగ్ బ్యాక్. సో ఈ మూమెంట్ అనమాట, ఫ్రమ్ వన్ ప్లేస్ టు మూమెంట్, ఇది ఓన్లీ ఇన్ ఏ సీజన్ హీ ఈస్ మూవింగ్. నో, దిస్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ అ సీజనల్ మైగ్రేషన్. Okay, Pramod's income is not sufficient to maintain his family. So Karthik also accompanies his father to the town. Due to this, Karthik had to give up his studies. So financial problems they have in their family. That is why his son also sacrificed his studies and he is also moving along with his father to earn some money to feed his family. Okay, so food habits. India is a very big country. Due to the difference in landforms, climate and soil, farmers in different parts grow different types of food grains, vegetables and fruits. So our India is a very big country now, children. According to the climatic conditions of the particular state, the farmers will grow different types of spices or fruits or vegetables or the crops. So according to that climate, we too will have the food habits. Okay. Thus, the food habits of people differ from state to state. For example, people of Bengal prefer rice because rice is grown in plenty and it is quite cheap too. So in Bengal, the rice will grow in plenty, means ఎక్కువ పండుతుంది అనమాట. అక్కడ వాళ్ళకి తక్కువ ధరకి కూడా వస్తుంది కాబట్టి that area particularly they are fond of to eat rice only. Okay. So similarly, people of Mizoram and Nagaland traditionally eat boiled vegetables because oil seeds are not grown in that area. ఈ మిజోరం నాగాలాండ్ లోని వాళ్ళకి ఆయిల్ సీడ్స్ అనేవి ఉండదు, అంటే ఆయిల్ ప్రొడక్షన్ అనేది అసలు ఉండదు అనమాట, చాలా తక్కువ. సో దిల్ హ్యావ్ ద హ్యాబిట్ ఆఫ్ ఈటింగ్ ద బాయిల్డ్ వన్స్, అన్ని కూడా బాయిల్ చేసుకుని తినేవే వాళ్ళు ఇష్టపడుతుంటారు. ద పీపుల్ లివింగ్ ఇన్ నార్త్ ఈస్టర్న్ ఇండియా ఈట్ మోమోస్, chakpa and wonton. See, here the pictures are there, children. They are the snacks, and here these momos are also steamed ones. Okay. So idli, dosa and sambar are popular in South India. Our side will eat this idli, sambar and what is that another one? Idli, dosa and sambar are popular in our South India. Okay. So here, however, our food habits are changing constantly. Children nowadays prefer fast foods such as burgers, noodles, chips, etc. So different states have the different items. No, children nowadays the children are very much fond of having the outside foods and street foods. No, so the pizzas and burgers and noodles, chips, etc. Instead of staple food like rice and dal. So instead of having this rice, dal, and whatever tiffins we have, these children are running with this noodles and burgers and all, which are not good for our health. Okay. Fast foods are not healthy and are more expensive. These fast foods, all these we call them as a fast foods. They are very expensive and one way they will destroy our health. Actually, we should not eat them. Okay. Earlier people ate fruits and vegetables that were available in their state or area. So previously, even elders also, they will prefer to have the fruits and vegetables only, children, instead of having this burgers and pizzas and all. Okay. So these days, however, due to improvement for transportation, science and technology, all kinds of food items are available most in everywhere. So because we are exporting and importing everything now, children, the transportation facilities also there, and everything is moving from one place to another place now. So we are having all the different types of foods. Okay. Changing food habits of people have forced farmers to change the kind of crops they grow. The demand for food items is more expensive. On the other hand, local farmers are unable to sell their produce as demand for locally grown food has come down. So locally grown food has come down. Why? Because so many are preferring the other state foods and the street foods and all. So first of all, we have to support our farmers, children, and we have to respect our farmers. We'll continue this in the next class, children. And today your homework is from page number 67. Third question and fourth question. What is vermicomposting and what is a water wheel? Who uses it? Read and write these two question answers in your homework book with good handwriting. Give finger gap between word and a word. All these answers are there in your workbook. Thank you, children. Have a good day.